Hey guys, welcome back to another Lexa Dixon video. I'm Lexa Dixon and you are watching another one of my videos. So today's video, I have a little bit of an unboxing. I headed out online to a little company called Noel Leeming here in New Zealand, and they had the Black Friday specials. I got myself a Hey, yes, back on the channel again. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure to click on that bell for all notifications. So as I was saying, I got myself a robot. Look at this little guy. So this is Bot. It's brought to you by Play. So basically it can do music, multicolour lights, hand movements, and it can walk. Now, I've never owned myself a robot. So yes, I'm very much looking forward to opening this. So without further ado, let's just crack right into that. Ta-da! This little guy is pretty cute. Apparently it says War Machine. It's War Machine. Pretty cool. Now it's a matter of opening, I believe, his head by the looks of it, and turning it on. So I'll be with you in 2 seconds. Handy dandy screwdriver. Right, let's get into his brain. And battery compartment. Now luckily I have 3 AA batteries ready to go. Alright, so batteries inserted. We'll turn them on. Alright, let's chuck him on the ground and see what he does. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that musical robot today. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and comment below. Let me know if you would ever like to buy a robot and what kind of robot you'd like to buy. Is the world going to be taken over by AI intelligence very soon? Woo! Alright, that's all from me now guys. Thanks for watching, and as usual, I will catch you on the flip side! Official merch now available, link in description.